Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I came with a new video. Pair of words, same sound, different meaning, different spelling, homophones. In this video, I will be explaining it very clearly. Watch till the end of the video. So this is Varna Mahapatra. Welcome you back to my channel to get the concept clear. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Let's start. Night, night. Same pronunciation but different words. Spelling different. First night we have acquainted with the word night, N-I-G-H-T. But the next night, K-N-I-G-H-T. Beginning the first letter K. Right? N-I-G-H-T night, period of darkness, time from sunset to sunrise. We have known it. Period of darkness is called night. That medicine store is open all night. Night is one noun here. Okay. The owl is a night bird. Here night is used to describe bird, noun. So here night is used as adjective. Next night, K-N-I-G-H-T. A man who served his sovereign. Okay. A historical man raised to honorable military rank, one ruler. Okay. The knight spurred unto the castle. Here knight is one noun. Right? The ruler, the king. The knight spurred unto the castle. Here knight is used as noun. He was made a knight. Right? Knight, one noun. Shurbir. Hindi meaning of knight, Shurbir. Then see difference between hair and hair. H-A-I-R, S-A-R-E. When you pronounce R silent, right? Hair, hair. Thread-like meaning of hair, H-A-I-R. Thread-like strands especially grown on a person's head. Okay, what is this structure? Is hair. Then she looks pretty with her curly hair. Right? I like my hair. Okay? So, the word hair is one noun. Then hair, another hair, H-A-R-E, also noun, a wild animal. The hare is a wild animal. Hares are generally larger than rabbits. Okay? Hare used as noun. I hope you got my point. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.